Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Tuesday, July 19th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Um, Had a pretty choppy day in the markets today. Not much going on. We did manage to get a couple trades off here. I'll go through them here. First one we had in gold that we took was a long understanding trade, and that was at 10:48 Central Standard Time. Made about 8 ticks, and that's all it made. And just no follow through before the room closed. Now the trade did go up actually to our original target. Um, which was 15 to 20 pennies or ticks, but I had to get everybody out here at break even when the room closed. So they made whatever people made whatever they made on the first 7 to 8 ticks, and then a break even on a runner. Um, if they stayed in it, they stayed in it, but we kind of have to get everybody flat here when we're closing the room out. But the trade did work for a nice profit there. And then in crude, we had a nice short in crude. We had actually a trade that we took, and that was at 45, 45.70, 45.70 at 8:48 Central Standard Time. We took it down to the target there, which was our circle there, and that one made about 20 to 25 pennies, up to 24. So we'll say 20 to the target there. Market kind of reversed there. We got long, took an S play around 72, and that one did make it up as high as 81. So again, that would have been about another, 7, 8, 9 ticks on the first batch. Anybody who held a runner, if they could hold it and stay in or didn't want to take their 8 ticks originally, would have gotten up to our next target, which was 86. So about, it went up to 87, 14, 15 pennies. Probably 7 or 8 for most, especially if you only had one contract. And that was a nice little trade there. When the room closed, we had another short here in crude. I said the target was back the original target we hit over here. Again, this was here the whole time, even before we got into this trade here, once we got into it. And that is exactly what happened. Now, we were here a little bit. I helped people manage the trades because we were exiting other stuff. But again, I said I wasn't going to count this trade one way or another in our official results. But that was another winner for the people who took it. It was just, you see the time, it was just right after 11. I don't really want to get people into anything after 11, especially when I have to leave. And then in the ES, again, you had a pretty much really flat day. We tried a power play in the ES. Some people got out here and just made 4 ticks on the trade, 3, 4 ticks, and other people wanted to try to get a little more, so they added, and then we were able to get out here, break even, loss of a tick, whatever. You could have got a break even, but sometimes people just want to get out of it, which is fine. And then we tried a long. We made a point on the long at 10:03. And again, I told everybody in order for this thing to go higher, since we're in our playground, it has to get up to 59. Never made it up to 59, missed it by 2 ticks. So unless it got to 59, it didn't have to go any higher. And then we finally tried a short again right before about 10:48, and that one made about a point, and that's about it. So small winning trades here, not a lot of follow through. Again, nobody that got long, got an 8-point trade because, it was like kind of down, up, not really going to, even still, it's not really going too far. But, able to get some small stuff today. 2 decent trades here, especially for people who took the second one, but first one for sure, because that was called during the room hours. And we're going to come back again. We're going to come back again tomorrow and do it all over again. So until then, guys, have a great day.